no, I'm saying like the flat piece, the flat bar, the scraper.
What you got going on?
Don't buy no rust buckets.
Oh, come on, it's fun.
Oh yeah, a lot of fun.
So tail panel, you bought from where? Plastic Industry.
Right hand.
On top or
yeah.
under?
Yeah, it goes under.
Under. Perfect.
What up? Do a little bit of repairs right here.
On the body brace.
That's fun.
So that piece comes with the weather strip gutter already. One chunk, yeah. Whereas from the factory it's not.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah, the drip.
This one, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the factory wants 2 pieces.
You're gonna have to drill a hole for that. What's this for? License plate light.
Yeah. It comes with the 2 braces.
You gonna use that?
Depending how hard that is to take off.
Should be spot welded.
Yeah, it don't look bad.
No, I wouldn't take that off.
Rust buckets.
Easier if your car ain't sitting outside, then.
And you're paying a bunch of money. All right.
Shots fired.
About ready for lunch, man. It's almost noon.
Alright, start cutting.
Yep.
Not ready to weld. It's drying right now. I'm ready for a beer though. I'm getting one.
You got shop help today.
I'm get a beer top bottom anyways. Yeah, I'm on my own beer. What the? Wait a minute.
So what'd you do, Bobby?
Well, cut it off. I had to make these.
Made that section.
Hey, go and mention pipe fitter assistant, man.
What?
You got fitter assistance.
Oh yeah. And then that's just that weld through primer stuff.
I mean, I don't know if the floors. I think the floors is all one piece like that. It goes over. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
But we made this piece out of scrap, so you don't have this little line right here like the rest of it. But
It all gets covered up.
Yeah, all this basically is just support.
you ain't gonna see it.
All this is support for this piece right here, which goes like this. It's gonna sit. It's gonna follow that line. It's gonna sit like that. So this is gonna get what it's at. So stuff that nobody really sees.
Right.
We spent like
Bobby just spent the last hour
4.
grinding on stuff you don't see.
Yeah, so we rebuilt all that.
Can't really tell I fixed it.
No, you can't. You did a good job. Still need taillight pocket.
Still need to light pocket. If somebody has one.
Man, you could fix that, man. All it is that bottom little section, huh? But you got to bend it.
Somebody has one that bought it for their car that didn't have to get done, so she said it to me.
That's not the way to ask somebody for their parts, Bobby.
Car sitting outside somebody's paint shop that ain't using it right now. Yeah.
Happens a lot.
Oh, believe me. People pay for their cars to sit outside.
Man, you could almost.
I want to know what this is for.
I don't know, man. Cut it off.
Bumper guards?
No. There's nothing to do for bumper guards. So all that's left is weld that piece in there. You already fit it?
We gotta punch the holes.
Oh, punch it.
Bunch of holes on top, right?
Hold the hose well and it's in. That's the easy part.
All right, so what, half an hour?
Yeah.
Where's the punch?
It should be in the welding buggy. Bring you guys back once it's welded.
Junk.
I got some clamps over there. You gonna test? You gonna make sure the trunk closes?
Yeah, it closes.
You got a way to open it?
Man, nice tight fit.
Hell, that's one big clamp right there. You don't need no clamps. You ain't got no lock on it or what? Oh, there's no latch. I see. The clamps are down there on the floor, dude.
Oh, you did a great job, man.
Thank you.
Somebody did.
That gets here at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Is that what you were gonna say?
I don't know. I wouldn't. I know. I'll get them clamps.
What you do right there?
What you gonna clamp? Right here?
It's ready to clamp. It's missing right here though.
Oh, well, yeah, gotta push it in.
Yeah, no, remember what we said, if we clamp it from there, it might stretch it, it might push it out. Yeah, see? Yeah,
Yeah, clamp it way tighter than that, boss.
yeah. Man, I got my hands tied up, man.
Bobby!
There it is. Oh, this is right here. Probably need to go more that way, huh?
It's good right here, though. Like, it's tight over here.
Go right here.
Well, the hopefully new taillight pocket comes with this whole section right here, huh?
So you think we'll tap it that way a little bit?
Yeah.
It should, right?
Yeah, let's tap it that way.
You got too much on that side?
It's
Well, you see how that one has
tight
a-
over here, but there's more of a gap that way. Just kind of even it
But
up.
then right here is already hidden, so we probably gotta notch it a little bit. But then if I notch it there, then
You have a gap there.
I would have a gap here.
I would hold out until you get the tail panel, man.
Hold on, what?
Or
On
you know,
welding
just
it?
put. No, yeah, I would weld everything except this.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna weld it.
Yeah, then I wouldn't worry about it. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about this one.
Yeah, it's kind of slow.
It's good. It's a little close, but it's good. Maybe tap it from here.
It's kind of flat. Yeah.
Maybe. Got it, dude?
Oh yeah. I gotta move with the clamp.
It's not moving because it's hidden right here.
Oh, look at this one. How you think? What do you think about this?
Let's do it right now.
Sure, that's plenty.
That's good, man. Warm it up. It's a trunk gutter, Bobby.
Don't get covered up by.
Alright, stand it back up. Huh? Let's put a beer down.
Yeah, man, we're trying to work here.
It's got a paper bag, maybe. Monetize. Demonetize. Where? Want another one?
Yeah.
Where?
A couple. We'll go on here.
How about over here? More over here. Right here in between his hands.
Well, that still has two. Look, it has a little bit of room.
Yeah.
Same thing here. Alright.
Burn it in.
I'll bring it back.
I was gonna record you welding. Show your, it's amateur hour.
Hey, doesn't this need to go down some?
Nah.
Can't go up. That's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, I'll bring you back once it's welded. What'd you say?
It looks the same.
It does. So what'd you do, man? Recap. Cut the old one out.
Cut the old one out. Fix some of these areas beneath this.
Made those pieces
Yeah.
under it,
Both corners.
which is essentially the body
Here.
mount.
Yeah.
That's why it rusted. and
And then put it in.
and then put this piece you got from Classic Industry. How much that cost?
Well, I have no idea.
Like $2 bills.
I'm gonna be checking my statements.
Man. Wow. Okay.
So right now it's just tagged right here in the bottom because I don't know. Hopefully I find one of these,
Uh huh.
and when that new one comes, I'll tag it to that.
We'll finish that up.
Same thing with this one.
Were you looking for a taillight pocket for that too?
If we can find it, we better.
I didn't know you were looking for that side. This has to be all metal finish because we're gonna paint this, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's gonna get painted.
So you want both taillight pockets, man. Anybody out there watching this has a parts car, 4-door, Bel Air, anything,
Or repop.
or a reproduction. They've been on back order for what, a year? Taillight pockets, taillight panels. 62. Need both of them. That's holding up the progress. Hubbard's advertise them, right? But
In stock.
and they're not.
Cause I bought them.
You bought them and then they never shipped
Cause it's on back order.
because they ain't got it.
Yeah.
But they advertise in stock. So Hubbard, Classic Industries, Hubbard's, H&H, all the companies, they ain't got them. Need to adjust this trunk, sir. I guess that's a wrap, man. What's next? Did you buy the center filler panel?
They don't sell it.
Back order also?
They don't sell it for 62.
What? Really?
63, 64, and 65.
They don't sell this for 62. I'm surprised at that. Okay.
63, 64, but I guess it's different.
It probably has a different contour. So you have to fix it.
Yeah.
So I would say what? Just this, huh?
That corner, and a little bit in the gutter. Easy.
Oh, word of advice, man. Like we didn't throw away the piece, huh? You kept it.
Oh, it's inside the car.
No. The old piece, man, because that trunk gutter can be used in other areas. You know, the drip rail. Yeah, that's good. This is usable. You can use that to patch up. Good job, Bobby. All right, that's gonna be it for this week. But I think the next you can do that next.
Do that next?
Yeah,
Well, I got
4 days off
4 days off, and then Saturday,
plus the Friday after Thanksgiving.
Friday, Thanksgiving.
So what you're saying is in a week it's gonna be solid.
Yeah, a week. Oh, Thanksgiving. You working Thanksgiving?
I don't know, probably not.
I hate this job. I don't want to work.
Bobby hates the club because we ain't gonna work Thanksgiving. Hey, you're welcome to come work, man. I may not be here, I might be here, but you're welcome to come. All right.
You bring a turkey, I'll bring some beer. Some rice.
Didn't we work? We worked
Last year? Oh,
Thanksgiving?
before
Christmas.
Christmas.
We were at Christmas on the floor of the 60.
Last year, yeah. And the year before that, we worked on both days.
Thanksgiving also?
Thanksgiving.
Wow.
Oh, New Year's. We were here New Year's.
Yeah, we were here New Year's. All right. Bring y'all back next week.